Ahoy there, I'm up. Well, because tomorrow I'm going to Bath, not have a bath, but going to Bath and see the sights. So I've been there before because I know it's very pretty there, because I love old buildings. I don't know about you, you know, old buildings, but I just love the architect of the buildings and things. I'm all into like history and things, so I used to love history at school. But yeah, so I'm heading down here. It's a lovely campsite because I've been here before, well, quite a while ago, but it's quite spacious because I've got it all to myself over there. But, yeah. He's getting excited. I think he wants to go out if he's pushed you. He's old. It's quite hard pushing a pushchair with one hand and got the camera in the other hand. Very peaceful here. Hello. Right, I'm going down here now. Oh, there's Larry. Hello. Hello, Larry. Hello. I'm all right when they're behind there. Hello. Say hello to. Hello. Cute. Are you all right? You chewing gum? Oh, must be its young ones. I think they're quite hot as well. They're in the shade. Don't blame them. Well, I'm going. This is the canal, so I'm going for I think going there to the Devizes town centre. I think it's a 6-mile walk, and then it'll be a 6-mile walk back. So it's quite an easy walk because it's quite flat. So it's really, really nice here. You can hire the canal boats as well for a holiday. You know, that would be nice for you to go along the canal. And you've got the locks here, I'll show you. The attack of the swans next. Hello. really good. Very pretty. You've got a little garden on there. Oh, that's really cute. Gun's mouth. And an umbrella. Wow. I suppose they live on here. That's really good. Oh, that's so quirky. That's really good. And you've got, I think that one over there needs a good makeover. But yeah, it's really nice. Wow. Hello, can I go in there and have a look round? That's really nice. Good. Oh, I like this one over here. Very arty. That's a nice one. I like that. Oh, half a dodger. Oh, I like that. That's very nice. It's really good.
Yeah, that was no go. Okay, so next.
Leave the boat over my boat. How far over do you want it?
Hello.
You're not going in.
I'm not I've got a leg on each boat now, so it's
You're not going in. I'll keep hold of this one, don't worry, you will not do the splits either. You do not any bodily
get
malfunction.
gin and tonic afterwards.
Yeah, that's so true. I'm going straight down that spa. And everywhere where you need a little bit of help,
Yeah.
there's nettles this year.
Yeah, there's loads.
Domestic.
Oh yeah, we.
Poor Leslie, she's done like all the locks and all the walking,
Yeah.
so she's knackered now. She just
Aw.
wants to stop, and it's like the treacherous bit of
Yeah.
especially when you've got two
Ian's
teachers.
knackered because he's the manager,
I'm the crew.
and I'm the one that chucks water over everything just to keep it calm.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to keep two dogs alive, which on these things is a little bit.
It is, yeah, because you're sort of like
Yeah,
Joe's just hanging on limbo.
yeah, don't worry, I'm staying here. You
backwards and forwards.
Just,
Sort
you're
of.
fine there as long as you're holding on.
Yeah.
to
Oh
something,
God.
love.
Yeah. Please hold on.
It's because I've got a grab bar along mine.
Yeah.
My bum is too short for the locks.
And this
My legs
rail,
are too short for everything else, but you know, you manage.
Yeah.
Ian's so used to his grip rail, but it's,
Yeah.
you can't get your hand round it.
She's a good swimmer.
Release.
Yeah, hang on, wait.
Hello, talking. I tell you what, we've got to change our pushchair.
Yeah. He's six.
Yes, Joe,
He's
that's what
16 as
We've
well.
got to have that.
Yeah.
Oh well, this one's getting beyond it. The amount of times I've chucked it on the floor and pulled it up, you know.
Yeah.
like you do.
Yeah. And
It's-
especially on this sort of
it's losing its, and there's a compartment which
Yeah.
I could actually put the chihuahua in. I've got
Aw.
a chihuahua in there and a
Aw,
spot.
are
You
they-
can see the chihuahua is very chatty and barking. She's starting, I don't know why, she's just got a little bit.
Is it the age thing? 16.
She's only 5.
Oh,
Joe,
5.
Oh,
there you
yeah.
go.
Now watch those singing
So
owls.
I'm going to let this lovely couple
Joe,
go by the
you may
dog.
not have heard that last remark.
No, I'm not
No,
losing.
listen, let go, I'm finished with you.
Yeah, right. I've heard that before this week.
Can't go the other side.
I keep getting told
Well,
that.
can I go?
Come with me. And
I come with you, yeah.
supervise the much.
Oh, they're so cute.
And don't be grumpy.
Hello.
Stop barking at the lovely
Hello.
doggy.
Is that the 16-year-old one?
16,
Oh,
5.
wow. Is she a girl, boy?
She's a girl.
Yeah.
She's a girl.
Oh,
This is my granddaughter. It's my daughter's dog.
oh, that's so lovely.
I've got
Hello.
3 Chihuahua granddaughters. All
Have
my
you?
children have a Chihuahua.
Oh.
And I never thought I'd like them, but I absolutely adore them now.
Yeah, my sister's
Love
got a
them.
little chihuahua.
I
Yeah.
love them.
Yeah.
And she's been with me my whole... Oh, you're just...
Oh,
Up, up.
oh, she can
You
see
see?
mine. Yeah,
Yeah.
I have one.
That's what she's like.
Yeah. Oh,
It's
maybe
lovely to
she
meet
likes
you.
him.
She does,
All right.
she probably does.
Yeah.
But enjoy the rest of your walk.
Yep, and you, and
Take care.
yeah, and you too. Thank you very much. Bye. Oh. Oh, she's very nice. when they leave buildings like this. Very sad. Oops. I hate that when they leave it like that. You know, I bet that's quite old as well. I don't know what it is. I don't know what kind of building it is, but you know, quite sad when they just leave it to rot. You know, and just let me have a look at the detail of this. It's quite big as well. Wow, look at this old shop. Oh my god, that brings back memories. Can you see it? I remember him from Crackerjack when I was a youngster. Wow. And you've got all this. So old, isn't it? Wow. God, I love all this sort of stuff. Oh God. That. It's an old poster. Got the old record players. Oh, Bagpuss. Oh, Elvis, that's my dad's favourite. Elvis Presley, he used to love that. When I was a kid, he used to play it all the time. It's rock and roll. And he used to like his Buggy and the comics as well. And Little Richard and all that lot. He used to play rock and roll because he used to be a teddy boy a long time ago, back in the 50s. Right, we're in Devizes now. Look at quite a bit of history. Here actually. I love the old buildings. Yeah. Got the Bear Hotel. I like a statue up there. Look at Romany and this. Wow, look at the architect on there. Wow. And got the I don't know what that is. Oh, I think he's the bloke that built the canals. Really good. There. And then you've got the old building, which is very pretty. I think they've got a castle somewhere around here. Somewhere. I just love the old buildings. You know, I'm in my element when you get these old buildings like this, you know, there's lots of history. I mean, they're much better. We've got to put it this way, they are much better than the modern buildings that you get today. But, see time now. That's so pretty. Love it. Another blue cat there, over there. Another old building. I'll go this way. I could spend that old church there, that's beautiful. I could spend all day looking at old buildings. I love it. Just love it. That's why I wouldn't mind going up north sometimes, because they've got a lot of history in the north of England. So I'd love to go there one day. Histories must go right back. Well, see if I can go for this way. I'm getting lost actually. I shall see you later.